In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook feed to your Wix website. This process will seamlessly integrate your Facebook updates directly onto your website, keeping your visitors engaged with your latest content. Whether you're showcasing new products, sharing events, or just keeping your audience updated, having a real-time social media feed directly on your website can be incredibly impactful. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. If you haven't used Wix before, this is the platform where you can build and customize your website to your heart's content. It's user-friendly and offers a great deal of flexibility, even if you're not a tech whiz. Now, once you're in the editor, look around for the option to add elements to your page. This functionality allows you to drop new features right onto your site. After you click on the Add Elements option, you'll see a variety of choices pop up. For our goal today, you need to scroll through and click on Social. This is where you can access all the integrations that connect social media with your website. Once you select Social, you'll see several social media options. For this demonstration, we are focusing on the Facebook page, specifically the Newsfeed option. Click on it to prepare to integrate your Facebook feed. Next, you'll be prompted to add your page name. This is a crucial step because your site will access your Facebook page and showcase the posts you want your website visitors to see. It's a simple way to keep your website dynamic and up-to-date without having to manually update content all the time. Now, an essential part of this process involves typing in your page ID. If you're not already familiar with it, the page ID is a unique identifier for your Facebook page. Once you enter this, your Facebook feed will start syncing with your website, ensuring everything is set up correctly. With your page ID added, you'll see an option to click on Layout. This is your chance to decide how you want your feed to appear to your website visitors. This layout can be configured according to your visual preferences. Whether you want to display a single column of posts or something more complex, the choice is entirely yours. Lastly, you'll find an option to click on Highlight. This feature allows you to accentuate certain posts or elements within your feed. It's particularly handy if you want to draw special attention to particular updates or news. And that's it. With these steps completed, your Facebook feed should now be live on your Wix website. This integration keeps your online presence vibrant and constantly engaging. Whether it's for business or personal use, having your Facebook content readily visible helps create a cohesive and interactive experience for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!